Right, so we're now going to move on to step 12 and 13, and that is create a common columnar data entry form, which will include the fields of the test data table. Read this carefully. It says the test data table. Okay, so it's the second table that you imported. The field headings must be aligned to the left position and positioned under each other. Make sure all the fields of data are fully visible, and then you're going to simply type this in as a new record. Okay, really simple. And make sure you check your data for entries. Now, as you do everything in Access, it will save automatically. Okay, so now let's go to create. And for this, we just simply need a wizard. Okay, there's no point in doing things from design. So if we go and get a form wizard, it does it all for us. Now make sure that you go here and you select the correct table. So we've got the table here selected. Move all the fields over because it's not asking for a specific field. It's asking for all of them. I apologise for the noise in the background. Like I said, I'm in a cafe. I don't like working at home. Columnar, done. Okay, and basically it's that simple now, it's finished. Okay, so you can see that they're all underneath each other, they're all perfectly aligned. Now, sorry, you can't see it on the screen here, I don't know, and I'll move this down the shot range. There we go. Right, so you can see now that here is all the record entries. So you can see there's 722 records. Now, if you make a mistake, what you don't want to do is you don't want it to sort itself out, and then because it will automatically sort into a certain order it should be. Okay, so now here it says we've got to enter this information. So all you do is you go to new record and you just simply enter the information, just type it in, simple as. Okay, done. So and then it will automatically save, and then it will automatically sort itself into the order that it thinks it should be in. You take a screenshot of that, and it's good. It's all done.